Pope Benedict XI, often overlooked in history, played a crucial role in mending the rift between the Church and the Crown. His papacy, though brief, was marked by a commitment to diplomacy and reconciliation. He understood that the power struggles of his time threatened the very fabric of society. By advocating for dialogue over conflict, he laid the groundwork for future popes to navigate the complex relationship between spiritual authority and political power. His efforts remind us that trust can be rebuilt, even in the most turbulent times, shaping the course of history in ways we often take for granted.